Your brain is an incredible control center. Every thought you have, every move you make, and every feeling you experience comes from here. In this lesson, we're going to take a quick tour of the brain's four main sections called lobes and explore how each one works to keep you thinking, moving, and feeling every day. Let's start with the frontal lobe, right behind your forehead. Think of the frontal lobe as your brain's planner and leader. It helps you make decisions, solve problems, and think about the future. It's also in charge of controlling your emotions and guiding your social behavior so you can work well with others. Without your frontal lobe, it would be hard to plan ahead, control your impulses, or work effectively in a group. You use your frontal lobe when you're planning how to finish a school project, deciding how to respond in a conversation, or taking a deep breath to calm down before giving a class presentation. It's always helping you organize your thoughts and choose the best actions. Now let's move on to the parietal lobe, located near the top middle of your brain. It helps you process touch, temperature, and pain. It also gives you a sense of where your body is in space, so you can move without constantly looking at your limbs. It's the reason you can pick up a pencil without staring at your hand, or walk across a room without crashing into furniture. When you're playing soccer, your parietal lobe helps you feel where your feet are without looking down and judge where the ball is so you can kick it accurately. Even walking through a crowded hallway without bumping into people is made possible by your parietal lobe. Next is the temporal lobe, found on the sides of your brain near your ears. This is your brain's memory keeper and language center. It helps you understand words, store important information, and connect emotions to what you hear and see. It's also tied closely to your senses, especially hearing. You rely on your temporal lobe when you recognize your friend's voice on the phone, remember the lyrics to your favorite song, or recall the plot of a movie. It's also at work when a certain smell or sound brings back a strong memory, even if it's from years ago. Finally, we have the occipital lobe, at the back of your brain. This is your visual processing center. It takes the raw images from your eyes and turns them into something you can understand. It helps you process color, judge depth, and recognize patterns and shapes. Without it, the world around you would be a blur of meaningless light and color. When you admire a painting, notice the bright colors of a sunset, or judge how far away a basketball hoop is before shooting, you're using your occipital lobe. It's working constantly to help you make sense of the world around you. All four lobes work together all the time, from planning your day to catching a ball, listening to music, or admiring a work of art. They are constantly communicating and sharing information. Understanding how they work helps you appreciate just how amazing your brain is.